How to add direct checkout button for WooCommerce store products for free, short sale process. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to change this checkout button that you have for yourself on your WordPress theme. And it's something that directly asks the product on your checkout. So instead of adding the product to the cart and then moving into the checkout, we can cut the process down and make the products already add both to the checkout directly. Okay, so we can make the purchasing process faster. So even if you are into the single product, you have the Echo card that if you go ahead and add different dealings into adding the card to your total, you can proceed to checkout pretty easily and pretty simply. Now, to start things off, what you can do is once you come to this design over here, let's say over here, I'm going to go ahead to these pages. And in these pages, when it comes to, adding different checkout buttons or a direct checkout button to your WooCommerce, you're going to want to make sure to have a few plugins, okay? In the plugins, you can go with Short Sale, okay? And Short Sale is a great plugin that you can get for the product bundles. So as you can see, there's different WooCommerce product bundles that you can get. And there's one page checkout. So create special pages where customers can choose products, check out, and pay all on one page. So this is also an add-on that you can add for your WooCommerce and WordPress. So WooCommerce one page checkout. Again, you can add this because it's really helpful, it's really useful, and I would 100% recommend you to use this because it creates special pages where customers can choose products, check out, and pay all on that one page. Really incredible, really easy, really simple stuff. It requires a proper plan upgrade for yourself as well. And, it's just a great thing to work with, a great thing to mess around with. Now, to obviously go more, head to toe into this, what you can do is obviously you're going to go to your store and you're going to make sure that your WooCommerce is all set it up with all the details, okay? Because without a proper WooCommerce setup, you cannot add a checkout button. So what you're going to do first of all is we're going to go into pages. We're going to click on add new page. And first of all, we're going to add a checkout page, okay? So to add a checkout page, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that this checkout page is interacting and integrated with your cart page. So let's say I'm going to go ahead, click on blank page, and I'm going to call this one, obviously, as I said, the checkout page. Okay, once you've made this checkout page, I'm going to click on publish and click on publish again. And that will obviously go ahead and publish your whole checkout page properly. Now, once you've created a proper checkout page, from there on out, what you are going to want to do is you're going to go ahead into your back page. Okay, we're going to come back to our basic page over here by clicking on view pages. And once you come into view pages over here, you can see all the pages that you've created. Now, in my case, as you can see, I've created a checkout page, but we're also going to create a cart page. And here's the cart page, here's the checkout page. Now, once you've created the cart and checkout page, we're obviously going to be integrating both of them. Okay, now wait, let me just remove this checkout page. There we go. Now, to integrate them both, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to come over to your WooCommerce, and in your WooCommerce, you're going to go to your WooCommerce settings. And once you go into your WooCommerce settings, you're going to go into the advanced settings of your WooCommerce. And in the advanced settings of your WooCommerce, you're going to get 3 to 4 different widgets. Okay. And in those widgets, they're going to give you a few different details that you are going to need to access and you're going to need to work with. Okay. So to start things off, first of all, they're gonna ask you, a few questions like page setup, and in the page setup, they're gonna give you 4 to 5 options. So in those 4 to 5 options, you're gonna have to complete and fulfill all the necessary options for yourself. So what do I mean by all the necessary options for yourself? Basically, they're gonna ask you for the card page. Okay, it's going to be a drop down menu which is going to open up the menu containing all the pages that you've added. And in the card page, basically what you're going to do is you're going to choose the card page from your store. Now, once you've chosen the card page, then they're going to ask for the checkout page. Then you're going to choose that. Then they're going to add the news page, the home page, a whole lot of other things. And yeah, basically that's how you are going to add all the visuals and the necessities of your pages with different widgets and elements. And it's going to be really good. It's going to be really fun to go with. So Basically, those are all the things that you can use to add all the different types of checkout buttons and widgets into your pages. And then moving on, once you've added those, from there, what you can do is you can actually design your page differently, and you can use obviously different things like Elementor to design your card page and all. But obviously, now we've only connected. How are you going to integrate these two pages to enable yourself to add a direct checkout button for WooCommerce? Okay. So to add a direct checkout button, let's say I'm going to go into my checkout page. Okay. In your checkout page, if you were to add a button to actually proceed to checkout, basically it's going to take you to a whole checkout page, right? So I'm going to click on choose a block to edit, and I'm going to write button over here. And here you can see it gives me buttons. So let's say I'm going to add this button. I'm going to, write a text. So I'm going to write buy now. Okay, so this buy now button is the direct access which will take this person to the checkout page in as itself. Okay, so you can add a hyperlink to this, and you can link it to your different pages that you have. So you can, let's say I'm going to link it to this, and then what a person will do is once they click on it, they're going to be redirected to the same page as, so they won't be taken to the card page. All that needs to be done is that you need to have the access to proper hyperlinks. And once you've chosen the hyperlinks, you're just going to integrate the hyperlinks using each other. So obviously you use the checkout page to create one hyperlink, then you're going to go to the card page to create the other hyperlink. But in this case, what the user is going to do is they're not going to need to click the button at the card page. They're directly going to go to the hyperlink that you've added for the checkout page. So again, just come here. Once you do that, add a button over here. So then again, I'm gonna click on buy now. Okay, I'm gonna write in buy now, and once you write in buy now, just go ahead and hyperlink it to the same page that you've done the checkout page on. There we go, and we're gonna click on update. And once you click on update, there we go, everything is good to go. So I'm gonna go back, view on pages, and I'm gonna go on to the actual pages site. I'm gonna click on visit site, and then we're gonna see that any page that we click on, so let's say I'm gonna go on the checkout page, they have this buy now. I'm gonna click on it, and look at that, we got redirected to the home page. So this is what you can do for the different pages on your WordPress, and everything should be good to go from there. So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you, and if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments, and yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.